Fatty Patties. Welcome back to Davies London. Well, today we're on Springbank Drive in London, and we're at Fatty Patties. It's a place that's been around long. You can see from the sign since 1984, so it's been around for a while. We checked out the reviews. The reviews look good. We checked out the prices look good. So we're going to check this place out. But while we're here today, we're going to do an unboxing video. Something we received in the mail, but we've never done an unboxing video, so we've brought a YouTube unboxing specialist in to help us out. Let's go on in. Alright, so here we are. We're with Phil from Phil's Creepy Videos.
Hey everybody, what's going on today? Nice Sunday in London, Ontario, Canada.
So Phil's going to join us for lunch, and he's going to give us his impression of Fatty Patties as well. And of course, we have something for him to unbox here today for us, so maybe we'll do that in a couple of minutes, but we'll be right back to you. Alright, so we've ordered some lunch, and while we're waiting, we thought maybe we'd get Phil to do an unboxing for us. So we received this in the mail, I don't know, maybe a month ago, did we send it?
Yep.
We kind of know what it is, but we're just going to let Phil open her up and we'll let everybody see.
So we have a box. What's in the box? What's in the box? So let's crack into it and see what we got. Never cut towards yourself. What do you think we'll find? Ooh, I think it's some, what is this? Oh, one chip challenge. We have Packy. One chip challenge. So this is the super hot chip that says, earn your spot on Packy's wall of infamy. After this, hell should be easy. Eat at your own risk, not for the faint of heart. Not everyone will enjoy the extreme heat. So yeah, I won't be eating it. I don't know who will be.
Well, we'll figure that out.
Yeah.
It was nice of Packy to send us this, or Paquet to send us this chip. We were pretty excited that they sent it to us. So
that's awesome.
Oh, there we go. There, chip in there. That's one little bag. Yeah. So.
Now is that a vomit bag for after, or?
That's the bag, the chips, and I don't think it's big enough for a vomit bag, but here, we'll put that back away. Can we bring something for Phil today, too? We might as well get him while he's got his knife out.
Ooh, a gift for Phil. Thank you, I wasn't expecting this.
No?
I didn't bring you guys a gift.
That's all right.
But my birthday is in 10 days.
There you go, it's a birthday gift. We'll go with that.
Well, thanks for the birthday gift. And it looks like a shirt. I see a theme with the shirts you're wearing.
Oh, there we go.
And yes, Dave Eats London.
It's the all-new Dave Eats London swag.
That's awesome. Thank you so much, man.
No problem.
I appreciate that.
You're welcome. We'll wait for dinner to come. We'll be right back. That doesn't look bad. I can smell the Frank's Red Hot sauce on it.
Yep, that's pretty standard with restaurants.
Now, you like hot wings, but you don't want to eat a hot chip? Is that what you said?
Not that hot.
Too hot?
I bet you anything that chip's way hotter than these wings could ever be.
You think so?
Oh yeah.
I brought, I didn't bring it. I should have brought it. I didn't know you like hot sauce. I make my own hot sauce.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
I've seen a lot of videos on, there's a Toe of Satan lollipop sucker.
Right.
That's like 10 billion kajoules of heat or whatever.
Scoville's, yeah.
And it's hold it in your mouth for 5 minutes. People are like puking and, you know, crying.
Right.
No thanks.
Well, my hot sauce isn't crazy. I make a couple. I make one that's really hot and one that's not so hot.
Yeah.
I make one called Satan's Bitch Slap.
Okay.
It's not so hot. And then we got, what's the other one we called it? Fire in the Hole. and it's just a little bottle. We put it in
Which
the
hole?
coffin.
Fire in both holes.
I'll make sure I get you a couple bottles next time we see you. I'll bring you some hot stuff for sure. But you might as well try that while it's hot. I got the camera on. Try a wing and tell us how they
Oh,
are.
try a wing. Oh, they're steamy too, so that's good. Yep. That's a good wing.
Good wing. That's what we like.
Good wing.
Awesome, I know, they're so good. Yes, I'll grab that for you, sorry. Anything else about for anybody else, though?
I think I'm okay right
All
now.
good, just the mayo?
All right.
Yep, that's a good wing.
I'll try one of the fries. They're fresh cut fry. They're not a bad fry. A little chewy, could be a little crispier.
Lots of bacon on your burger.
There is, isn't there? You see, like, if you want to grab a camera, listen, just take a picture maybe we have here. Just turn the camera around.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Could I get a bone plate?
Do you want the bowls?
Oh,
Bone bowls?
sure. Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Thank you so much.
All right, so that's a good size order of wings, though. I think. Maybe I'm wrong.
Yeah, I'm happy with that.
They smell good. They look good. Phil says they taste good.
And they're cooked.
Yeah, so a lot of times sometimes you get wing, you see they're a little red by the bone, eh? Kind of worrisome. I like mine well done as well. Should I take a bite of this burger before I put any topping? I'll just take. There's a lot of bacon on there, mushrooms, cheddar cheese, 3 toppings included. That's a big Kaiser bun.
Yep, that's a big burger.
Half-pound burger.
Leaky burger.
Burgers have to leak, don't they, to be good though?
Well, that means the patty's not dried out.
Absolutely. That's a homemade patty. That's not a frozen patty. That's pretty good. Let's have a look at Lucinda's. So Lucinda got a clubhouse. Let's get that in white or brown, Lucinda.
Whole wheat.
Whole wheat bread.
Yep. Try the soup.
That was the leek and potato soup.
Nice and hot.
Yes, we've been getting hot soup lately. Used to be, we seemed we were going through a phase of getting soups that weren't very warm there.
Yeah.
We're good. Well, so far so good. I think this is pretty good. We'll eat this up and we'll come back.
Gonna take one of your fries.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
They're proper fries. They're fresh cut. Yep. A little chewy, but could be a little crispier than me, but I think they're good.
Good flavor.
Definitely. I'm going to try a wing. We got the camera on. I'll try one of your wings if you don't mind.
Yeah, try it.
All right. Are they hot enough?
I wouldn't say they're that hot. They have a little kick to them, but
To me, that's a good wing. Some people would say they're overcooked, but I like them that.
I like them like that too.
Aren't roasted that way.
And lots of meat on them.
Yeah, they're not a budgie wing like some of them are. I'd say their place is pretty good, really. Kind of out of the way. And it's dated inside. It looks dated inside. It's kind of an 80s design. They probably have a reduction.
But see, I don't mind that.
I don't mind it
Because
either.
I grew up in the 80s. Like, this is what I grew up with.
Yeah, I think it's good. I think it's fine. I think this place is well worth checking out. The prices are good. The food's good. The service is good.
Yep.
And that Club of Lucinda's has got real cheddar cheese on it. It's real cheddar cheese. It's a good club.
Yep. Plenty of bacon on it.
Yeah, I think this place is worth going to. We'll once again finish up and show you the bill when we're done. We normally don't get dessert, but we got a special guest today, so we thought we'd get some brownie and ice cream. Phil didn't really want us to get dessert, but I think he'll eat some. Why don't you try it out, Phil, and tell us how it is.
I'll have a snippet.
All right. Is it good?
The brownie's hot. Nice and moist. That's a good dessert.
High
if
quality
you're
ice cream, you
into
figure?
dessert.
Decent quality ice cream, you think?
Oh yeah.
All right. Well, we'll wait for the bill, and we'll be back and finish this thing up. There you go. We thought everything was great. We thought the value was pretty good. We'll show it to you right there. There's dinner for 3, or lunch for 3, with dessert, $57. God, I think that is a pretty good price. What do you think?
Oh yeah.
And the food, I thought it was good. Phil thought it was good.
My food was great. I give it 2 big thumbs up from Phil's Creepy Vids.
That burger was huge. I'd recommend this place. I don't think you can go wrong coming here. So that's it for this show. Hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment below, and look for us next time on Dave Eats Lunch.